Good morning, Mother's Land community. How are you all doing this morning? It's a little cold, a little nippy this morning, and the sun has just came up over the hills that are in front of the house. And I hope you can hear this. I don't know, but I want you to listen. Hear the birds. Hear a woodpecker. Did you hear that cow? I woke up to the sound of cows mooing. And we don't own any cows, but our neighbor has cows. And I just love it when they are out on the pasture and that they sound like they're so close, but they're really not. They're over 1,000 feet away, but they almost sound like they're right in the yard. But I just love to hear them first thing in the morning. What do you enjoy hearing first thing in the morning?